So today we're gonna try something completely new, something that we've not done before, and this is talking to the camera. It's Memorial Day weekend and we thought we'd go camping. Monday's off. Johnny doesn't have to go to kindergarten. So here we are in the Mojave Desert, 2-day trip. We just found our first campsite near a mine that we're gonna explore later. And I'm gonna set up camp now. Okay, Gianni, du willst Nudeln? Okay. Jetzt mal gucken, was wir alles haben. Das brauchen wir. Hier. Erstmal das. Das mal hier aufstellen. Das. Das noch. Nudeln und Wasser haben wir hier.
Are you gonna make me eat?
Ja. Mach langsam, Gigi. Willst du Wasser? You and water? There isn't really much to do as far as setting up camp. We've been going camping for a year and a half now, and our setup is very simple. So I just have some firewood, I have a chair, we have water, we have a few boxes with our camping gear, food, and that's pretty much it. So it doesn't really take long. What I'm gonna do next is probably set up the sleeping platform, get this ready, and then we're gonna explore. So we're now at what seems to be the entrance of the mine, but it's fenced off. I can see how we can get in. We're gonna walk a little bit. So we walked up a little higher. We couldn't find an entrance. But there's some kind of high point here, and you can actually see the dunes. The dunes we want to explore tomorrow. Let's see if you can see it in the background. It's more beautiful than I thought over here. Look at that. I'm gonna try to fly the drone later. Hopefully it's not too windy. Alright, so one of the gates was actually open. So we're walking towards what looks to be a main part of the mine. We gotta be careful. We wanna have some adventure, but we don't want to get injured or anything. This is spectacular. And now I understand why this is fenced in. This goes down deep. Let's see what we have here.
So,
Johnny, chicken thighs, Mediterranean style. We got some pita bread from Trader Joe's and a salad kit for some vitamins.
yeah. Oh. Ew.
What's the reggaeton?
No, I didn't burn.
No?
No.
What happened? Oh, it's hot? Yeah?
No. Because I touched it with my hands, not with this. It's just that I like feel something and stuff.
Du musst ja aufpassen, ne? Ja, be careful, baby. That was our first day of camping. Very successful, I have to say. We just finished our dinner. I have some dessert. Some cookies. I think we're ready to go to bed, huh, Gigi?
Yeah.
And I think
Only get them from Trader Joe's.
yeah, we're gonna get up early tomorrow, as soon as possible, as we wake up, eat, pack our stuff, and then get down to the dunes because it's supposed to be hot tomorrow. So we're gonna be there, not during the heat of the day. So with that, good night. Well, good morning everyone. It is 6:45 and we're on our way to the dunes. We arrived at the Kelso Dunes. It took us about 45 minutes to get here. There are a few other cars. Boy, is it hot already.
And there's the
Gigi?
sign saying,
That means no camping here.
no camping here, only sand dunes.
Only sand dunes. Alright baby, let's go before it gets too hot.
Yes. So we don't melt down like ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
Are you right?
Yeah. That's why we also put on our sunblock. So we don't burn. It's very important, huh baby? Now that we're walking, it's actually not that hot. Not yet at least. But I put on my shorts,
And I
put
have
sunblock, my hat.
I have on my shirt. I have on my shorts.
You have your shorts?
Already.
Yeah. Got a big bottle of water. Most important. And now we're gonna see how far we get, huh Gigi? What do you think? Can we make it all the way up?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
Why not?
Because that is like maybe 100 feet tall.
100 feet? I think it's much taller, baby. But yeah, I don't think we can make it all the way. But we'll see. Okay? We'll try to get as high as we can.
I'll try to get as high as I can, and then I'll jump down.
Okay. Yeah, so he walked quite a bit now. You know, I don't know if you can see it, but back there's our car.
Yes. We're not that far.
Right here are the dunes. So we're gonna walk this path here. A little further up, and then we'll see how far we can get. It's not too bad. The sand is nice and cool, huh, Gigi?
Yeah.
So.
Ow, it's a little bit hard to me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! Sand is so hard, are you right?
It's hard, yeah. Well, I guess that's it, Gigi, huh?
Yeah. Because look how far we went.
Yeah, we went really far. You did good, Gigi. Not quite up there. This is nice. You did a good job, Gigi. High five. Next time, when you're bigger, we're gonna go all the way. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You wanna do that?
Yeah.
Quite difficult. We're back at the car. It's about 11 o'clock now. We're gonna find a campsite where we can set up camp, and then we're gonna make some nice brunch. I'm hungry. Well, we made it. Welcome to our new camping spot.
Yeah.
Let me give you a tour. We actually been here before, not this specific spot, but the area. So there are a few spots, maybe 6 or 7 different camping sites. They're all very, very nice. This one must be one of the nicest. Embedded within the boulders here, right next to the mountain. It's just amazing. Jenny, are you going to help me to build a chair? Okay, let's do it.
It's nice to be camping with peaceful.
You like it?
Yeah.
Well, breakfast is served. You got some refried beans with eggs, avocado, and some toast, and a fresh coffee.
And guys, guess what my dad made? He made beans with eggs. The big cake!
Und was isst du? Waffeln mit? Waffles?
With banana.
That's right. Dig in. We will enjoy our breakfast now. And then I think we're going to take a little break. It's too hot to do something, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to just rest in the shade. And then we're going to come back later and explore the rocks, huh? Sounds good? All right. It is about 4 p.m. now. We are well rested and we're ready to explore. I think we're gonna try to get up that pass up there, but we'll see. It looks kind of steep. It's probably too much for Gianni. Okay, these cacti. Aren't they beautiful, Gigi? This just turns out to be too difficult. Not just for Gianni, but for me. I think this is the end of the road here. We're gonna find something more suitable for the two of us, so we can have some fun jumping around on the rocks. Oops. Hi Gianni, I'm coming. You can fit good, huh?
Yeah.
Good, Gigi.
Now your turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, that was easy.
This is a dead cactus, are you right?
I don't think it's a cactus, but it's for sure dead, this plant.
Oh, this is a cactus.
Back at camp. That didn't go too well. Too many cacti. We get stung all the time, huh? Gigi. Gigi got stung a lot. I got stung a lot. Ooh, that was not fun, huh? So Gianni just told me that he wants to go home. I think he got hurt while we were hiking, huh? What happened, Gigi? There? Yeah, and then these little spiky things. He's not feeling well. I think it's also the heat. And I gotta say, it is quite hot today. We have decided that we're gonna make some dinner, all right? And then we're gonna go home. Then we're gonna pack and then we're gonna drive back about 2.5, 3 hours. It's not too bad.